everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to keep your Brother printer running smoothly and efficiently. The Statago TN830XL toner cartridge replacement. This isn't just any toner. It's designed to be a high-yield, reliable solution for a wide array of Brother HLL, DCPL, and MFCL series printers, ensuring you're never left scrambling for ink when you need it most. What immediately stands out about these TN830XL cartridges is that they come in a convenient 2-pack. Each cartridge boasts an impressive page yield of 3,000 pages at 5% coverage, meaning this duo will power through up to 6,000 pages before you even think about needing a refill. That's a significant amount of printing, making it an excellent choice for both home offices and busy small businesses. One of the biggest headaches with third-party toners can be compatibility issues, but Statago seems to have tackled this head-on. These TN830XL cartridges are equipped with the latest smart chip technology. This isn't just a marketing gimmick. It genuinely ensures high compatibility with your Brother printer, making the installation process incredibly smooth and hassle-free. You simply pop it in, and your printer recognizes it without a hitch, allowing you to get back to your tasks quickly and efficiently. Beyond the ease of use, the performance is where these cartridges truly shine. Users have consistently reported superior image and text quality. Whether it's crisp, sharp documents for professional presentations or vibrant, clear graphics, the output is consistently impressive. This adherence to stringent quality standards is further backed by their ISO 9001 certification for excellence and ISO 14001 certification for environmental sustainability. Knowing that a product meets such high benchmarks provides a great deal of confidence in its reliability and overall value. The extensive list of compatible printers, including popular models like the HL-L2460DW, DCP-L2640DW, and MFC-L2820DW, means that a broad range of Brother users can benefit from this high-yield, high-quality alternative. It's a smart choice for anyone looking to maintain professional printing results without breaking the bank on OEM cartridges. The Statago TN830XL offers a compelling blend of performance, reliability, and cost-effectiveness, making daily printing more professional and significantly easier.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.